Barbs. Today I am coming in to do a wig video. This is my first time doing this and I am voicing over. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This hair was purchased from Amazon. The link is down in the description bar because I cannot pronounce the seller's name to save my life, and I'm not gonna go ahead and butcher that. This hair cost me $59.99. I also got free shipping. I am not a Prime member. I probably won't be a Prime member for a minute, but I ended up getting this hair about 2 days after I ordered it, and it came on a Sunday at that. So it's some pretty good hair so far. If you haven't seen the unboxing video I did yesterday, you need to go ahead and check that out. If you saw my vlog yesterday, you kind of saw my little setup of me getting ready to make this. It was a lot of footage that I had to cut out because I have children and it takes me almost all day to make a wig because I have to stop and parent and then, you know, get back to it. So I started making this wig at about 2:15 yesterday, and I finished this bad boy at about 10:30 at night. And I was supposed to have this up for you guys yesterday, but as you can see, that did not happen. But it's better late than never. So this is the video. This is not a tutorial. This is just how I do it. I am not a professional, though I did go to cosmetology school. I am not saying this is the only way you can do this, and I am not telling you to do it this way. And by the way, yes, I am using brown thread because that's what I had, and I am not using a dome cap. As you can see, that is a stocking cap. I was not paying attention when I went to Dollar Tree and picked this up because I know they carry dome caps, but I was in there with my babies and I just ran in, saw a man on the package, and I grabbed it. But luckily enough, this actually worked out pretty good because she fits pretty snug on my head. I just want to make sure she doesn't slide around, so when I do wear it, I am going to use my wig grip that I also got off of, I believe I got it from Sam's Beauty for like $5, and I did my best. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and check it out. Okay, at this point I have gotten to the top of the head, and I am doing the flip over method this entire time, and I'm going from left to right until I get up towards the top and hit a U part type of shape when I get to my closure. I tried to get this on camera as best as I could, so you guys have to excuse me, but my flip over method, there's a lot of girls on YouTube that you can find out how to do that. I am not great at doing tutorials, and I can't say I made this up because, you know, I did not. I watch a lot of videos, and I can't give anybody credit because I watch so many people. But the flip over technique is done until I get up to the top. And after I do that, you'll see me go ahead and close her up. And yes, we are finally at the top part. I am merging together this track with the closure. As you can see, there is a little small space in between my closure and this track, but you will see what I'm gonna do with that so that closes up too. Okay, so you can see the spaces that I have left over, and I'm going to go ahead and take a little piece of this weft and I'm going to put it in that spot, and I'm going to go ahead and seal her up. I only show me doing one side because you really don't need to see me do it twice. the construction of this unit is completed, and it came out really, really cute. My intentions were to style this on camera, but my camera battery had other plans. So like I said, it's about 10 o'clock at night once I finally finished her. The only thing I did do was use that Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner that you saw. I added water to it and I sprayed it throughout the hair. I also used Mazzani's new curl defining gel. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I went ahead and I put that through her, and I let her air dry overnight, and the camera ended up cutting out. So you'll get to see the ending look as I posted it on my Snapchat, which, you know, Snapchat sees everything first. And just to show you one more time, this is a 12-inch bundle, 14-inch bundle, 16-inch bundle, and a 10-inch free part closure. This is curly hair. I am not sure what origin the hair is, as it simply just said curly human hair, and I was just looking for something new to try. And like I said, $59.99 and you get a real cute wig, as long as you know how to do it right or have somebody sew it in for you. So you guys will see me install it another day, maybe today. I have no idea, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did my best doing this voiceover in this complete video, so I am trying. Have a good night, you guys. Peace.
You see who got it? You see I'm still in the bank making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot it. Talk about it, bitch.
You know how to go